Munchkins, what is up? I hope everyone's doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post makeup and fashion related content on my channel. If this is something that you enjoy watching, make sure to subscribe to my channel with that press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. So in today's video, I will quickly share my hair care routine using my favorite Tresemme products, the Botanic, Detox and Restore shampoo and conditioner. So this range is enriched with the goodness of neem and ginseng. If you don't know already, neem has some good medicinal properties and helps in preventing hair loss, and for its antibacterial properties it also helps in getting rid of dandruff. Talking about ginseng, it is a great ingredient to promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. And guess what, you guys, I have a coupon code for you all for some additional discount. Alright, so for this video today, I will be specifically reviewing the Detox and Restore shampoo and conditioner. As you guys can see, my hair looks pretty rough today, so I'm very excited to see what this does to my hair. Will my hair look any smoother? I am very excited to see that. So let's go try out these products. So my hair is wet now. I'm going to show you how I shampoo my hair. I will take about 2 pumps of this shampoo and lather it really well on my hair. I also like to massage my scalp very gently to increase the blood circulation. Always make sure to be very gentle while shampooing, because if you are harsh, you might end up breaking quite a lot of hair. Alright, so now I will rinse off my hair. I always wash my hair with lukewarm water. Now I'm going to apply the conditioner from the lens to the tips. Never apply your conditioner on your scalp. I will leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I will wash it off. Alright, so now that I have washed my hair already feels very fresh and clean. Let me go try this and I'll be right back. And I am back. Look how gorgeous my hair looks. I love how it feels. It feels very light, very fresh, and it looks very shiny, healthy and smooth. It has definitely straightened up my hair. I do naturally have straight hair, but it has definitely enhanced that. I love how Tresemme gives me that smooth salon-like look at the comfort of my own house. I absolutely loved using the Detox and Restore shampoo and conditioner. My hair feels amazing and it has definitely smoothened my hair. As I showed you guys earlier, my hair was looking very rough when I started filming the video, and now my hair looks very smooth, shiny and healthy. Don't forget to use my coupon code for additional 15% off on any Tresemme products from Nykaa. And that's it for today's video, you all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did enjoy watching it, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram to stay updated. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.